Looking for a solution for a ring around the collar? Well, I have a tip that just may work for you. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, we're tackling the chaos that can come with ring around the collar. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and a ring around the collar, keep watching because I create lots of videos about topics just such as this. But definitely check out the show notes and the links below because I'll place information there about all the products I'm using in this video. Alright, so let's attack the problem. Now I've washed this shirt once, but I am not pleased with the way this collar is looking. So I am going to try and pre-treat it with this 4-in-1 Power OxiClean Gel and then rewash it. So I'm going to put the gel on the collar, let it sit for about 10 minutes and then rewash it. Rub it in. Now I'm going to just throw it in the wash and just let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I'll start the load. And I've actually got a couple of them, so let me do this one as well. Get it in the dryer on the permanent press cycle because I don't want to have to worry about ironing them. And we'll get these out in a little bit. Alright, let's get these shirts out of the dryer. This one looks okay. It was one of the ones that I struggled with. I took the OxiClean and used a toothbrush on it and I let it sit for several hours and it definitely improved. Now this is the one that I really struggled with and it's definitely a lot better, but it's not where I want it to be, so I'm going to continue to work on it. But I washed it and pre-treated the collar before I washed it. I washed it a second time and really pre-treated it with the OxiClean, scrubbed it with the toothbrush. So this was definitely a stubborn stain. This one looks great. Very good, very good, very good. And this one looks great. So overall, I am pretty pleased. All in all, I think the OxiClean did a really good job. I think the key is going to be to make sure you pre-treat early, let it sit for a bit, and then get it in the wash. So I'm pretty pleased with what took place today. So here's the question for you. What's your laundry challenge? What laundry dilemmas do you face on a day-to-day basis? Inquiring minds want to know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like laundry videos, I do videos like this all the time because there's always laundry dilemmas in life. So I encourage you to subscribe. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.